Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take in-depth look on Tecknet WA878 Doorbell. Product illustration. Product specifications. Features. This wireless doorbell requires no Wi-Fi connection or wires. Just stick the doorbell ringer wireless button on the door and plug the receiver into an outlet. 1,300 feet long wireless range. "60 ringtones and 5 volumes levels. IP65 waterproof wireless doorbell. Energy-saving doorbell. Three working modes. Memory function. Expandable and multifunctional. Easy to install. Usage of buttons. Setup button, music button, volume adjustment. Instructions. Pairing method. Fixed melody pairing. Changeable pairing. Unpairing the receiver. Important safety instructions. Troubleshooting. Warnings.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.